Hey creators, you guys must have seen a lot of cat memes videos. Like Hug Cat, cat zoning out or happy cat memes. It's so funny, right? Today let's see how to make a cat meme video. First, you can search and download a green screen clip of the cat memes. This time maybe we will recommend. I have downloaded with HitPaw Video Converter and you guys can click the link below to try it. But this material is a little fuzzy. That's okay, the downloaded material is usually blurry. We can enhance the quality for this video first. I have also put the video enhancer link on the description. Go straight to HitPaw Online Video Enhancer, which is a one-click tool for enhancing low-resolution videos trained by AI. Click this purple button first. Drag or click to upload the cat meme video. The upload process may take a few seconds. Please wait and do us a solid by smashing the subscribe and like button. Choose the right model based on the video. This time we maybe choose the General Dinois model. Click preview and the enhanced video will appear on the right side seconds later. Save it and then open the CapCut and click to create a project. Now let's drag to import the cat meme clip. Drag material to video track and start to create. In the right bar, select Cutout from video menu. Turn on Chroma key and use Color Picker to select the green color of the screen. Then pull the strength and shadow to adjust the values and make sure you get the best results. This gives us a cat meme material with a transparent background. After processing the video clip, we drag in the background video or image. Stack it under the cat video track and drag to adjust the video duration. This way the video is made. Of course you can click text to add text to the track. Use the text-to-speech function to dub the cat. Now you can use your genius wit. That's all for this video. Stay tunning and catch you in the next one.